Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Pawar working as Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. Today I am going to discuss the line codes and their types. A line code is the code used for the data transmission of a digital signal over a transmission line. This process of coding is chosen so as to avoid overlap and distortion of signals such as intersyllable interference. Properties of line coding. There are different types of properties of line coding as the coding is done to make the more bits transmit on a single signal. The bandwidth used is much reduced. Second point, for a given bandwidth, the power is efficiently used. The probability of error is much reduced. The error detection is done and the bipolar 2 has a correlation capability. Power density is much favorable. The time content is adequate. Long strings of ones and zeros is avoided to maintain the transparency. Types of line coding. There are three types of line coding: unipolar, polar, and bipolar. Unipolar line coding. Unipolar signaling is also called as on-off keying or simply OOK. The presence of pulses represents a 1 and absence of pulse represents a 0. There are two variations in unipolar signaling: non-return to 0 denoted by NRZ and return to 0 denoted by RZ. Next type is unipolar non-return to 0. In this type of unipolar signaling, a high in data is represented by a positive pulse called as a mark, which has a duration T0 equal to the symbol bit duration. A low in data input has no pulse. The advantages of unipolar non-return to 0 are: it is simple in nature, a lesser bandwidth is required. Disadvantages. The disadvantages of unipolar non-return to 0 are: no error correction done. Presence of low frequency component may cause the signal droop. No clock is present. Loss of synchronization is likely to occur. Unipolar return to 0 denoted by RZ. In this type of unipolar signaling, a high in a data, though represented by a mark pulse, its duration T0 is less than the symbol bit duration. Half of the bit duration remains high, but it immediately returns to 0 and shows the absence of pulse during the remaining half of the bit duration. It is clearly understood with the help of the figure. Advantages of unipolar return to 0 are: it is simple in nature and the spectral line present at the symbol rate can be used as a clock. Disadvantages of unipolar return to 0 are: no error correction, occupies twice the bandwidth as the unipolar non-return to 0. The signal droop is caused at the places where the signal is non-zero at 0 Hz. Polar signaling. There are two methods of polar signaling. They are polar non-return to 0 and polar return to 0. In polar non-return to 0, a high in a data is represented by a positive pulse, while a low in a data is represented by a negative pulse. Advantages of polar non-return to zero are it is simple in nature and no low frequency component are present in the polar non-return to zero. Disadvantages of polar non-return to zero are no error correction is required, no clock is present, the signal droop is caused at the places where the signal is non-zero at 0 Hz. Polar return to zero. In this type of polar signaling, a high in a data, though represented by a mark pulse, its duration T0 is less than the symbol bit duration. Half of the bit duration remains high, but it immediately returns to zero and shows the absence of pulse during the remaining half of the bit duration. However, for a low input, a negative pulse represents the data and the zero level remains the same for the other half of the bit duration. The advantages of polar return to zero are it is simple in nature and no low frequency component are present. Disadvantages for polar return to zero are no error correction, no clock present, occupies twice the bandwidth of polar non-return to zero. The signal droop is caused at the places where signal is non-zero at 0 Hz. Bipolar signaling. This is an encoding technique which has three voltage levels plus, minus and 0. Such a signal is called as duobinary signal. An example of this type is the alternate mark inversion denoted by AMI. For a 1, the voltage level gets the transition from plus to minus or from minus to plus, having alternate ones to be of equal polarity. A 0 will have 0 voltage level. Thank you.